Who's going up? Hello guys, welcome to Turkey. Uy, ang daming tao dito guys. Oh, sabi na lang sa kanila. Ang ganda
Hello.
ng terminal. So this is their terminal in Turkey guys. I'm going up. So we're overnight here in Turkey guys. Wow. Oh, it's close the grocery store. Istanbul Resim. Thank you. So the funny thing guys is the reason why I want to go out here is to unwind, to drink, to buy something. But I just found out when I checked my bag, I forgot my card in my room because I cleaned my bag. So that's their train. So now that's it. I just decided to go out here and take some photos or videos and go back to the ship. That's it. Before and then this macro center is open, but at night they're closed. So there's a lot of groceries. It's a supermarket actually. So you can buy a lot of stuff here, but yes, they are closed. So just stay tuned in my channel, and then I will tour you around here in the port of Istanbul, Turkey. Alright, so as you can see, it's beautiful, it's modern. I'm trying to avoid the ladies to take a video, the Muslim ladies, because maybe they'll get upset if I take a photograph. Let's see what we can see here. Hey Michael! My friend, my colleague. How are you? So when we're going back, so you can just go there, or you need to go past the terminal?
We have to go through
Inside, right? But when we're going back, we can just pass through here. Wow. Can we pass now? Okay. But I think it's all close.
Ay, 100 kere arada ya.
Let's see what we can see. Guys, it's easy to go back to the ship, but it's so hard to get off. As you can see in my video, it's a lot of walk and going up and down. See Zara, but I think it's expensive here.
The challenging thing is
What?
nobody speaks English.
Oh yeah, here. Why? What do you want to ask? What do you want to ask to them? I think there's a pub here somewhere. No, here you can see the disco, right?
No, the disco is upstairs. It's only by reservation only.
Yeah. Oh no. Yeah, it's here upstairs.
No, here the music is coming.
Yeah. Wait, I had to take a. It's very difficult to get inside and out, guys. That's a lot of process. Oh my god, I know where to go back to the ship now. There's a lot of shopping center here. Zara. Terminal. Taxi. That's their taxi. This is the terminal here. How to get back to the ship. So finally we're here. There's a duty free there, guys. So go check this latest airport here.
Não achava que eu ia gostar. Um dia meu amigo tava com um charuto lá, eu falei, vamos um charuto? Bom, né?
Euro. I we cannot go on that side.